I am Chef James Laird, and today, instead of doing something with food, we're gonna do something with alcohol. And I just tasted this amazing American Harvest Vodka with John. John's the national salesperson for this product, and I just had to bring him in. He's gonna make an amazing cocktail. But the reason why I love this vodka, organic, made in America, and it's finished with a little bit of agave. Agave is like sugar from a different plant, and just gives a little bit of finish, a little bit of sweetness at the end. You know, sometimes vodka is a little harsh, but this is like so smooth. You can just drink it on ice, chilled. You can drink it right out of the bottle. It's so good. You know, just put this whole bottle in the freezer. No, I'm just kidding. So this is John, and John, what are we gonna make here?
Today
I see basil.
We're gonna make an American basil lemonade.
Wow, let's do it.
So we're gonna add basil.
Like 4 or 5 pieces.
2 lemons, and we're gonna muddle it.
Yeah, muddling. My bartender loves to muddle. You know, 10 cocktails all muddled. It's got biceps like Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Add ice.
So you muddle it. That brings out the oils from the skin of the lemon and gets it really juicy.
Then we're gonna add 2 ounces American Harvest.
2, 4, 6, you know, depends how much you like your friends. We could put more.
Fresh lemonade.
A little bit more. So lemonade, we make it here at Serenade. Fresh lemon juice, a little bit of agave, a little orange juice, give it a little sweetness. But you can just buy organic lemonade from Whole Foods or any type of store you'd like. Give it a nice stir like that.
And then strain.
We're gonna pour all the ice in there, John.
Cool.
Yeah, I like it like that. Yeah, lovely. See the nice color we get there, and all the lemons in there. Dump it in there. Real organic, natural, rough. Okay.
There you go.
We're gonna taste it. Delicious, delicious, really good. I like the muddling of the basil versus chopping it. The oils come out; they're not as bitter.
Absolutely.
So that's really the key. That and the muddling of the lemon and lime juice. John, thank you for coming.
No problem. Thank you.
We're gonna have this cocktail on the menu all summer, and also feature it all throughout the restaurant through the summer, and have it on the rocks, have it in the lemonade, have it in a margarita. Oh no, you can't do margarita, that's tequila. But it'll work though, right?
Creativity.
Come see us.